When finishing a cutting board or serving tray, it's important to use a food-safe finish. For this board, we're using a dedicated cutting board oil to hydrate and protect the wood while avoiding any harsh chemicals. Since this is an end-grain board, it will soak up a lot of the finish, so it may take several coats for full coverage. Continue to flood the surface of the board until the finish begins to remain on top. For larger boards over 1.5 inches, this may take 3 to 4 coats for proper protection. It's important to note that finishes like mineral oil do require regular maintenance as they can dry out with use. You can keep a bottle of this handy in your kitchen to protect your board for years to come. Once the finish is applied, we can let it dry and take a closer look.